This video will show you how to install the Android SDK tools on a Windows MobileFirst server. This is needed in order to install and configure Maximo anywhere. Open a browser and navigate to the System Requirements page for Maximo Anywhere. In the required third-party software section, select the Windows SDK zip file and the download will begin. Once the download has completed, open the containing folder and extract the zip file. Open the extracted tools folder and double-click on the Android batch file. This will launch the SDK manager. Make sure the following tools are selected: the Android SDK Build Tools 22.0.1 and Android 6.0, that's the API 23. Uncheck any other unneeded packages and then install the remaining packages. Accept the license and select Install. Once the installer has finished loading, click Close and exit the SDK Manager.